Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's supposed to be Patreon STL stuff that we usually look through on usually Tuesdays and Thursdays. Problem is, there's not really much out, and a lot of the people that I usually look at are not there anymore. So we'll be looking at some updates and stuff for October or some stuff that we have missed. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get into it. So we got Sake 3D models. They got Frieza. If you want, it's for October. No Skull Art having what? Misfortune ready for 3D prints coming up for next month. Looks like it, and Red Hood as well. So that's in 3D Studio. So, for the upcoming stuff for the STL figurine, that's actually pretty good looking. Let's see here. You got Frieza. You got Naruto's dad. Figure you can get, but SN. This is a nice one too. Man, problem is with these things, I'm so scared of painting. It's just a little bit of intricate detail like this with the brush, and sometimes it will look good with no oil over for it, but it really doesn't for that. So Victus miniature November ogre rats. So let's say I have ogre rats for your proxies for that. Great studio. What are you working on? The maid ninjas, I believe. Yeah. Then we got Android 18. We saw that. Eons of Bad November preview. The Desecrate engine. That was actually pretty cool. It kind of looked too cartoonish in my opinion. I forget, and you get the orc terrains for it. MZ4250. Looks like I got some ghost spiders and a clockwork spiders. I'm actually going to put you aside because it's free. Utaka Palua release. We got the painting for first place. Pretty good. That's mostly airbrushed. That's airbrushed and dry brushed. That's actually a very that I think I will consider that as first place in my opinion. But staff highlights. Yeah, so sometimes you go in and if you do subscribe to them and they do like contests, get a 3D printer and so forth as well. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. November concept art. I think that's from an animation or something. Okay, a big, their version of Yoshi Merfolk Tavern. That's actually pretty cool. Mushroom Centaur. We got some mushroom octopus, I'm guessing. Octopus, one water. Crocodile or a lizard folk with a shotgun. Like a redneck. Oh, shit. Hunter. Another mushroom. I think we're getting a lot of mushroom. Crocodile cook chef. That's actually kind of fun. I mean, there's kind of some stuff we could do for like a southern style. You have a group of fucking redneck reptilians and shit. Soldier tier, lizard folk. Yeah, that's a very good artist with the stencils and everything. If I get paid more, I will be loving to do this. I'm pretty good with doodles and stuff, but I do really want to do like 3D modeling from it. It's just fucking program costs so much money. Vote. Oh, for the thing. That's already been done. See here, print goes on. These usually do like Lord of the Rings style. Tides of Terror, that's Undersea. Minis that I remember. There's Captain Jack Sparrow for that, and there's ship. Here's your Hawk. 6 months gaff based. Yeah, if you're interested in that. Let's see here. This is November update. Oh, this is from Mad Max. I think this is from Link. Really weird. Huh. Trick or Treat. You have Storm. November. We got the monsters stuff from Wicked or Berserk. If you're interested. Yeah, it's pretty good looking. Monster. And the creature of the Black Lagoon as well. Huh. We got Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. Making a model of that. A lot of times, I don't. I'm probably gonna buy again another printer because I don't like using regular pigmented resin and translucent colored resin because it's a hell of a lot of hard time cleaning that shit off that if it mixes and stuff. So I'll just have a printer just for clear resin or clear color resin. Then we have the heavily gray pigmented one as another printer, in my opinion. If you guys want to make all these special, like translucent blue or like blue, clear blue style resin to have like fireball hands and stuff. We got Glad. This is the spoilers for it for November. This is the October one right here. And a Last Sword miniatures. I think this is going to be for. Oh, this is for October. These are the stuff for your the old worlds. And these are the elves for it. That's actually pretty cool looking. Banners of Ancient. Not really much. Oh, Fantastic Plant Rock's having a big sale with their minis. They used to do really good, like actual like creature minis for a while. Then they just started just doing terrains instead. So, but yeah, so he has a lot of little terrains on sale if you're interested. So we got Ezerma for one of the figures you can print. No, not gonna see that Delta. We'll see this Delta for it. It's actually pretty cool as well. Got one-page rules for November's roadmap. So we got the Tal, I think the high elves. Oh, we got a rat lord on a big ferret. I will print that from my freaking Skaven. That is freaking awesome. We got the elves. These are the woodland elves. I need this for the towels. You know, take, brawler, terrain pieces, and stuff. We got some more stuff here too. This is pretty cool. You know, we don't really need to buy Games Workshop. Just make your own proxy with your friends. Print where the however you want. Instead of breaking the bank. They're having a grand opening on Etsy on the Etsy store. Nurk Sun. November preview. That's actually pretty cool. A figure print. Devil and Angel. Good and Evil. I don't know what October is for them. October. Oh. Medusa and oh god. So we got Urza. Do that's for this month? Just now. Render test. So this for next month for Urza. For 3D Moon. I think that'll be it for today. We'll get some more stuff out for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.